Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix authentication problems on a smartphone or tablet, especially those involving single sign-on or SSO, misconfiguration, multi-factor authentication, MFA, issues or time synchronization mismatches, common in enterprise or managed device environments. Step-by-step guide to fix authentication problems, SSO, MFA, time sync. Step 1. Reboot the device. Simple but effective. Reboot clears temporary glitches that could interfere with SSO tokens or MFA prompts. Step 2. Check date and time settings. Issue: time sync mismatch causes token validation to fail. Go to Settings, then General Management on Android or Settings General Date and Time on iOS. Enable Automatic Date and Time or Set Automatically. If using an MDM, make sure NTP servers are correctly pushed via profile. If manually set, sync time with a reliable NTP source or Internet time server. Step 3. Verify network connection. Issue: SSO and MFA require secure access to identity providers. Ensure the device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Try loading a secure website, for example, https://www.google.com to confirm internet access. Disable VPNs or proxies that might interfere with authentication temporarily. Step 4. Clear app cache or reinstall authentication apps. Issue: corrupted app data can disrupt SSO or MFA apps like Microsoft Authenticator, Okta Verify, and others. On Android, go to Settings Apps, select your SSO or MFA app, then Storage. Tap Clear Cache and clear data. On iOS, delete and reinstall the app. Re-log into the app after reinstall. Step 5. Re-enroll MFA if not receiving prompts. Issue: MFA device registration lost or outdated. Log into your account on a computer or different device. Go to Security Settings or MFA Management Portal, such as Microsoft 365, Google Workspace or Okta. Remove old device and add a new device. Scan QR code or enter code into the Authenticator app on the phone or tablet. Step 6. Check MDM or SSO profile settings if managed. Issue: SSO misconfiguration from MDM like Intune, Jamf, or Mobile Iron. Open the MDM console on the admin dashboard. Verify: the correct identity provider or IDP is configured, such as Azure AD, Google, or Okta. The user or device is assigned to the correct policy. Certificates or authentication profiles are applied successfully. On the device, force sync the MDM profile. On iOS, go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management, select Profile, more details, then refresh. On Android, open Company Portal or Device Policy and tap Check Status or Sync Now. Step 7. Try browser-based login. Issue: isolate whether the problem is app-specific or system-wide. Open a browser on the device, like Chrome or Safari. Try logging in via the organization's login portal, such as login.microsoftonline.com or yourcompany.okta.com. If successful, the issue is app-specific. Reinstall the app or reset SSO or MFA configurations in the app. Step 8. Check for OS or app updates. Issue: outdated apps or OS versions may not support newer authentication protocols. Go to Settings, Software Update on iOS or Android. Also update relevant apps like SSO or MFA apps. Restart device after updates. Step 9. Review logs for admin use. If you're an admin or support tech, collect logs from the device or MDM system. Look for token expired, clock skew, SSO endpoint not reachable, invalid MFA response. Use the logs to adjust policies or troubleshoot with the IDP. Step 10. Escalate to identity provider if needed. If the issue persists after the above, open a support ticket with your identity provider, like Microsoft, Okta, Google, and so on. Include device logs, timestamps, and user reports. Bonus tip: common error messages and their meaning. Error message: clock skew too great. Likely cause: time not synced with server. Error message: device not registered. Likely cause: MFA profile not linked or expired. Error message: SSO failed, invalid token. Likely cause: token expired or not refreshed. Error message: login loop or stuck on sign-in page. Likely cause: corrupt SSO cookie or cache. Error message: cannot verify identity. Likely cause: certificate or MDM misconfiguration. Let me know if you're troubleshooting a specific app like Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Google Workspace, and so on, and I can tailor the steps even more.